Hi everyone, welcome to our channel How to Grow. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can reset the voicemail on your device. Before you guiding through the steps, make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you can get notified of the videos on this channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open the phone application on your device. And then on the top right corner you will see the three dotted line. Tap on it and tap in setting option so that you can get access to this page. Scroll down and you will find the voicemail option. Tap on it and here you need to select the SIM card where you want to reset your voicemail. Since I have two SIM card inserted on my device, so select the one and here you need to tap on advanced settings. You need to tap on the number here. The voicemail number is 9. You can either edit this also. Suppose I have kept the 98 on this voicemail number and put the tick mark on the top right. Here it is notified that the voicemail number has been updated, so tap on the OK.